everyone, welcome back to Flamboyant Creations. Today we're going to show you how we achieved this garage setup. This was how the final look looked like, but we're going to take from scratch. So this is the garage we were working with, and then we had put some draping on it and the tables and the chairs. So it was for 10 guests, so we did put gold crossback chairs on the table, and then the backdrop on the other side, and then we covered the one side. So here I was just putting the runner in between the table. So the theme was nude and white for a baby shower. So yeah, I just put 2 runners because I wanted the runner to flow onto the bottom. Then once that was done, I had to just make sure that it has a little bit of gathers. So I pushed it together so that then I started to put my underplates. So I was going to put gold underplates onto the table. So it was 5 on one side and then 5 on the other side of the table for the underplates. Then once that was done, we then had to fix the chairs because I wanted them to look at the mom-to-be on to the other side. So it was a little bit of I just shifted the chairs. Then once that was done, I had to put the plates. So I put the plates on top of the underplates. So it was 5 on the one side and then 5 on the other side as well. And once that was done, now I had to do my napkin. So we did the croissant. So remember, you tie you tie diagonally and then you tighten it and then you release it. So yeah, continue doing that for all the other plates as well. Once I was done, I went to the other side to do my napkins as well. So we are adding 5 more onto the other side of the table. Then I added some centerpieces onto our tables. So I have 2 flower arrangements. And then I had 1 other pampas grass arrangement that I added to the table so that it would add that brown look that we're looking for, that rustic look we're looking for. To make our setup to pop, we had rose gold wine glasses that we were going to add onto our table arrangement. So we added the rose gold wine glasses, so 5 on the one side and then 5 onto the other side of the table. Then this is how they looked at the end. We added our clear champagne glasses and our gold cutlery. So it was just, this is how it looked. Then now we were going to now focus onto our backdrop. So I just moved the cake stand and the chair so that I can go and work on it. So I added our balloon garland and then I had to add more balloons to make it a little bit fuller. So yeah, I was just now tying the balloons and then adding them onto our balloon garland to add more balloons so that it looks a little bit fuller. Also added some 5-inch balloons, so I had to pump the 5-inch balloons to add onto our balloon garland and then release some air and tie. Then once I did that, I would take it onto the backdrop. Then I added our queen chair or our throne chair for the mom-to-be onto our setup, our mom-to-be setup, and then we also put the old baby onto the backdrop. And Yay, this was the final look. This is how it all flowed from the table to the backdrops. The colors of the rustic setup looked this way. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is the side view of how it looked before we put our old baby onto it. But then this is how the arrangement looked, and the glasses and the table with our chairs that were, and then this is the table set up with the napkins flowing to our backdrop as well. And how lovely was the setup? Please also leave a comment and let us know what you think of this rustic baby shower for our client. Oh,